Ciao world. So this is an EarthQuaker device, and it's a Blumes one. It's from a friend of mine, and he asked me to repair this pedal that he told me doesn't work. So you see now it's connected. Consumption is like almost zero, and so it's working. The bypass is working. You can hear this from this little amplifier. So let's see what's the problem. Can you hear? Just noise coming out, and no volume, no nothing, and there's like 10 milliamp out from there, which is kind of okay. I think is the LED current. So I think we have to, maybe I have to remove the PCB and check it. Maybe I will try without removing, but then I have to try. So let's check it. Well, I think what's going on here, you see my scope on because I start tracing the signal, injecting the sine wave. Then I tell myself, well, let's first check the voltage raise on the main op-amp that is here, and we haven't got a good voltage range. We should see a positive and negative. And what this IC do here, this IC output from this pin here, it should output minus 9 volt. That came in straight from the supply to here. And if I take a look here and here, you see I got my scope almost 9 volts. But if you take a look from here to there, you hear 0.6, and it's not good. It should be negative 8 dot something. So that's something wrong with this, and we are going to order and replace this component. I'll see if it works or not. And it's working. That was that one here. That is the IC that builds the negative voltage, and as you can hear, and I turn it on, and now